Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Tecno Spark 2022. So in the first we have to open the Play Store, then look for the Fax app. I'm always using the Easy Fax, so we can open it. Add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Now tap on the plus and choose source of your document. Like this one, for example, click import. Of course you can select more than one picture, and this is a place where you can choose the shape of your document and adjust it. If you're ready, click accept. Now you can choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible, and you can add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just get your free credits or buy it, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.